Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we have to talk about Ethereum. As you know, this morning, Bitcoin broke its all-time high and rallied all the way up to $67,000, making history. And in doing so, it has given Ethereum the confidence to finally go on its rally. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you why a $4,700 Ethereum could literally be a week away. I'm going to be breaking down some very important charting that you may have already seen, but that you might not know the significance of. We have a lot to cover in today's video, so I'm not going to delay any further. Without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. This is a real simple video, guys. We're going to start out here on the daily chart. I'm going to show you what we're talking about. This right here is called an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and we've been talking about this inverse head and shoulders pattern for the better part of the last 3 weeks. The thing about this inverse head and shoulders pattern that you need to know is that it has a price target based on its shoulder level right here, its neckline right here, and then the top of the head right here. If you draw a price target, which you get from drawing from the bottom of the neckline to the top of the head, and then you extrapolate that all the way to the upside, then you find that this pattern gives you a price target of right up here, $4,750. Now, you probably already know this, but Ethereum's all-time high currently is $4,400. For Ethereum to get from $4,400 all the way up to $4,750, it would have to break 8% above its current all-time high. Well, let's take a look at Bitcoin. What has Bitcoin done so far? Bitcoin, in just the last, 4 hours, has already broken 3% above its previous all-time high, it's funny saying that, of 65,000 all the way up to 67,000. I think something very similar is going to come to Ethereum relatively soon, and here's why. Ethereum has been in this massive symmetrical triangle pattern for pretty much the last 6 or 7 months. As of this morning, when Bitcoin broke to the upside and started rallying, Ethereum broke this longer-term downtrend and moved in a very large upwards movement. We actually broke bullish this morning at 9:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is right here. From there, we have already seen Ethereum break to the upside 4.5% in just the 5 hours since we have seen Bitcoin break all-time high. 5 hours since we've seen Bitcoin break all-time high at the time of recording this, that is. Ethereum rallied 5% in 5 hours. So Ethereum is already undergoing a major rally. It's broken some major resistance. And based on everything that I'm seeing, I think it is going to hit that price target of $4,700. But let's look at some technicals to see how realistic that is. First and foremost, let's take a look at one of the sponsors of our channel, one of my favorite indicators, Lux Algo. We currently have a strong buy signal right now, as you can see. If we look at something called Bollinger Bands, we can see that we've actually broken to the upside outside of Bollinger Bands. You might think this is a bearish thing, but it's not. This is actually a very bullish thing. Why? It means that the bulls are strong. The Bollinger Bands had been constricting on themselves, but now they are actually starting to widen again as the market has begun its process of moving to the upside. Now, looking at TD Sequential, we can see that Ethereum is not overextended on TD Sequential. Bitcoin, by the way, is, but Ethereum is not. And if we look at some of our other things, such as VPVR, we can see that there is basically no resistance above us, moving all the way back up to all-time high. Ethereum has a very strong base of support underneath it, having to do with its oscillators as well. Looking at the Lux oscillator down here, which is part of the Lux Algo package, you can see that we're currently moving to the upside on this and have been for the last 2 weeks. That is very bullish. We can also see that the RSI is trending to the upside and sitting right around 69, meaning that there is more room to run on the RSI. On top of that, take a look at the market cipher. Market cipher has a green dot coming in, money flows increasing, VWAP's going up. We had a color change and overlap on the stochastic and normal RSI on market cipher. They're all moving to the upside. Short story. Ethereum is very bullish. I think it's going to break all-time high in the next few days, and I think it's going to be hitting its price target of $4,750. It really is that simple. I can even show you the market cipher DBSI. We have a 15 down here and a -5 up here. That means that there's like suction pushing us to the upside and bullishness pushing us to the upside as well. So market cipher DBSI is very excitingly bullish right now. Everything that I am reading is telling me that Ethereum is about to break to the upside. It's even got volume coming in a big way. So I want to hear your opinion in the comments section. Is Ethereum about to move all the way to $4,750? I think it will, and frankly, it looks like it might happen within the next 7 days. And also, guys, tell me, what is your favorite place that you have ever been to? My favorite place that I've ever been to is Keystone, Colorado, where I went snowboarding. Make sure to tell me in the comment section, where is your favorite place that you have ever visited? Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. We're trying to bring you financially freeing educational content, and if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency markets and how to read them, this is the channel for you. That's all I got for you today, guys. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.